What's goody grind nation? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you a work at home job that pays $24 an hour. If you're interested, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you a work at home job that pays $24 per hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, before I tell you about this work at home job, I want you to check in the description below. I have some free giveaways I want to give to you guys. Now, these free giveaways will help you on your journey to making money online. So check out those free giveaways in the description below. Also, if you're struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, well, today is your lucky day. All you have to do is check in the description below also for a link that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Now, this same tool has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way up to almost 350 subscribers within a month and a half, and it can happen to your channel too. So click on that link below. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I have for you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the work at home job that pays $24 per hour. Now let's grind and let's get it.
Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Babbletype. Now, Babbletype is a transcriptionist website. They hire people to be transcriptionists as far as typing what they hear through audio. So let's read a little bit about this website. So it says here, the transcripts we produce are mission critical parts of market research projects, and completeness, accuracy, and reliability are absolutely requirements. Our work requires a very high degree of skill in language, listening ability, and ability to deal with more sophisticated transcript formats. Because of this, we prefer to work regularly with limited and select team who meet the requirements we need. To learn if you are a potential fit for our work, and if our work is a potential fit for you, and to learn how to apply, see the relevant selection section below. So it says here, for English language transcriptionists, start by watching the video below to determine if you and we are a potential fit for each other. If you feel you are, the video will explain how to complete our transcription tests. So I'm not going to play this video. It's a very long video. So once you check out this website, you can check it out for yourself. All right, it says here, for English language editors, apply for editing right here. And for translators, you apply for editing right here. Now, from my knowledge, they pay $1.40 a minute. So every minute that you are transcribing something, you're going to be getting paid $1.40. Now, from my research, you can make up to $24 an hour if you're a very fast typer. So make sure you are very highly skilled in typing before you apply for this job. All right, if you want to learn more about this, go to babbletype.com.
All right, now you know the website that you need to go to today to sign up and start making that $24 per hour. So go ahead and do that today and start making that money. Now, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the proposition I have for you guys. Now, if you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, I said it, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick the comment and reward the first person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cold hard cash via PayPal. Now, please subscribe if you're new. Destroy that subscribe button and go ahead and leave that comment down below so I can give away this free money. The money's just laying there for the taking. It's waiting for somebody to get this money. So let's get to 500 subscribers today, guys. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please smash that like button if you like what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Please share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Reddit. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm done. That's it. I'm finished. Deuces. I'm out of here. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my most recent video right here, right after I tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch that recent video. Deuces.